I may have gone a little too far on this one. Party mode in the back. Stay tuned in this video. We got something good coming. Today is Powan's birthday. We're gonna do some LEDs on the GTI too, I think. But first and foremost, it's Powan's birthday. I got him a gift. So we'll swap the stuff from the SQ5 into the GTI, get rolling over there. I forgot the birthday present SQ5, that would have been bad. Look, she's all shined up.
Hey, what's going on?
Birthday boy. Happy birthday, dog. Pound, I'm blinding you.
I feel like I'm getting, like,
Interrogated
here.
I did get you a mod for the Civic.
Okay.
The very heavy duty, like hard hitting mod. Alex
How much horsepower?
I can't tell you that. But Alex and I have been training for a while to get it done, so we're very excited to show you.
Okay.
We're gonna take your car, go around the corner, install the mod, and bring her back for your approval.
You're lucky that we've been doing this for so long that I trust you with this stuff.
Here's what we got, Powan. Some like neochrome Honda, and it comes with a keychain. So I'm gonna hand him back his keys first to see if he notices this, and then we'll walk him over the car and see if he notices these. But these are a very in-depth install. Now, if you didn't know, these actually have the Honda logo on them, so they're even more for racing. All right, Alex, let's see how she feels.
Engage.
Sport mode, baby. Oh, it's way faster. I don't even need to floor it. Way faster. Yeah, Powan's gonna love this mod. He's gonna walk up to the car, and he's just gonna be iced out, baby. Part one of your new birthday gift.
Okay.
Here you go. Alex, come a little closer.
Oh, geez, what is this? Oh,
yeah.
I got that bling
bling.
That's actually really cool. I like the burnt finish on it.
Yeah. Getting warmer, warmer, or colder, colder, warmer, warmer.
Damn! The bling bling.
Look at that. Too, so it matches your
It matches perfectly.
matches your keychain.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
The gift for Powan was fun, but now onto the real meat and potatoes of the video. If you guys don't know DE Auto Key or DE Auto LED, they've been a long-time supporter of the channel. I ran their lights in my GTI before I even started making videos on mod stuff, and they just make a freaking killer set of lights. I don't know anybody who has had an issue with them. They also have a lifetime warranty on everything, and they sent me out some lights for the GTI because it's, well, very dark inside the GTI. Look at how nicely packaged this is. DE Auto LEDs, baby. If you don't remember, on the SQ5, we run these fog bulbs. These are white-yellow strobe. So basically, they install like this. Actually, this is the most convenient fog light design I think I've seen on a Volkswagen ever. But yeah, we'll get rid of this funky looking one. Okay, we have a fog light on that side. This one's not active. So I'll go ahead, flip it around. These are polar connectors, so they can connect both ways. When we connect it the other way, wow, that is freaking bright. But where these get really cool is where you turn them on and off again. So off and then on within 2 seconds, yellow. Off and on again 2 seconds, white and yellow, which is hard to see on camera. Off and on, it'll flash yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white, and then you go one more time, and you got strobe mode, baby. That's pretty cool. Alright, now we have some goodies in another box. I don't have a knife out here, so I've been using a pick, and that's been working really well. Oh, no way. They hooked it up with the Airheads. We got one of each flavor. What's your favorite Airhead flavor? Comment below. I believe, I don't remember if I ordered these or not, but I'm pretty sure these are new headlight bulbs as well, which is cool because, you know, new bulbs are better than old bulbs. Installing the headlight bulbs isn't awful, but it's definitely not the most fun thing either. You guys haven't seen it yet, but I did the other side first. I didn't have to take these bolts out on the other side. I was able to sneak my hand in there. This, because the battery box, or the power steering, whatever this is right here. I'm gonna undo these 2 bolts, and it'll let me slide the headlight out a little bit. The headlight didn't move. It's because there are 3 bolts that hold it in. Like, I guess you get a little more clearance, but not really. The only other important thing you need to know is this plastic thing comes off. Come on, focus. Like that. and it lines back up. There's a little tab on here that it'll line up with when you're doing that. Okay, so the internet didn't lie. You actually, it is really nice to be able to move this headlight forward a little bit to get the bulb back inside there. So I'm not mad at the internet anymore. It's like really hard to tell, but that one is much brighter and whiter than this one. This one has like a purple tone to it, although it still looks white. So like that almost looks blue on camera, but that's actually white. That one looks much more, there you can see it. It's much more yellow here, and this one's much more like a true white. And this is the meat and potatoes. So we have sun visor / glove box. We have the trunk LED. We have the license plate, which are literally full. They're full package things. These I'm excited for. This is a little secret that you guys will see in a second. Let's get started. If I'm not mistaken, the license plate ones are super easy. There's just a little tab here. You pull down, and the whole thing should come right out. This goes in this way. Then we just tuck all this back up in there. Tuck this guy up in there. Clip this back in the spot. That was 1 minute and 4 seconds. You can tell there's just a little bit of a difference there. Trunk LED is another one that's pretty straightforward. There's just a little tab back here. That should be able to work down like that. Perfect. The only problem with the trunk LED one is you can't shut it off like you can with the other lights. Yeah, a little pinch, but you can't shut it off like you can with the other lights. So this is gonna be hot. I'd recommend leaving this out and letting it cool down before you swap the light. Yeah, and now you can see in your trunk. They also make an LED strip that actually goes all the way across the trunk, but I think this is good enough for me. Normally I don't have a stock suspension in my trunk. I actually don't have much in the trunk of this car, so should be fine like that. Center one, as far as I remember, just pop this guy down. Should come right off. Slides forward. Yeah. I didn't even break it. Nice. 2 T20s, like I said. Should pop right down. The YouTuber uses YouTube to resolve his questions. 1 tab, 2 tabs. You can see it's in this little carrier thing, so we just have to pop it out of here, pop the new bulb in there, slide it right back in the DMs, and we'll be in business. If you're curious about the difference between the two, there it is. I'm lining up this shot, I'm like, whoa, actually I don't even think I need this. 3 bulbs in here, and D-Auto Key always sends a 4th dome light for whatever reason. Oops, because if you drop it like that, you're in trouble. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, I saved the best for last, boys. If you saw it at the beginning of the video, well, this is the surprise. We got some red lights back here. Some red lights up here. I'll show you how to install them in a second. They're not on the other side. But if you take this handy dandy remote, we can hit fade. We got a little fade going on. And if we come to the back seat, point it here, we've got a fade going on there too. Yeah, baby. The install really couldn't be easier. It's just this little bulb that slides into the bulb up there in the front. Then you got some wire, and then you got this guy that sticky tapes on the back of the seat. In the back, what's nice about this is if you notice, right there's that little copper line. You can cut this to whatever length you want. It has little scissors. They purposely make them a little long, and you can cut them a little shorter to make them fit perfectly on your seat. Here's the final product. So the fronts don't strobe as well as the rears, but if you get them synced up right, you shut the door and open the door, you can get your rears strobing in sync, and you can have the front set on a solid color. One thing to note, when you're driving, they default to 1 color in the front and just white in the back. You can control the front still while you're driving, but the rears just go to white. Not quite sure where that happens, but that's not the end of the world. You don't want distracting lights in the back. But it is kind of fun. If you park your car, you get to leave it like this for a little bit. Anyway, huge shout out to D-Auto Key and of course Pound for his birthday, but D-Auto Key and D-Auto LED for sending me out all these great products. They've been supporting the channel for a long time, and I've been using their products for forever as well. So really good stuff, and most, if not everything they sell comes with a lifetime warranty, so that's pretty cool too. Make sure to check them out. I'll put the links to the product in the description. As always, appreciate you guys watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah. Alright, that's enough party mode. Where's my controller? Blue. No, that's purple. Blue. Blue. You can go back to blue. And you can go blue. Or if you want, you know, to go really crazy here, you could do like yellow there and like teal there. Maybe like, let's see if this works for me. Some orange. Oh, it fell down. Orange and blue.